Hello, I'm Kate from PageFly. Welcome back to our video tutorial on how to align element in PageFly Gen 2 editor in the traditional page building mechanism by using row and column. In 4.16.0 version, PageFly adds Gen 2 editor, a more flexible and efficient technology that allows creation of complex and highly customizable layouts, which comes with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Okay, let's jump right in. Here we are in the editor. I'm going to show you how to nail that layout. Just like the one I've got, trust me, it's going to be super fun and easy. It's best advised that you set alignment for the whole flex section or flex block, as it will apply to all elements nested inside automatically. To align all elements within the section or block, click on the section or block itself. Navigate to the Styling tab, where you'll find two key settings. Align items. This controls the vertical alignment of elements. Justify content. This controls the horizontal alignment of elements. To access more settings, click the three dots icon here. In Align Items, Stretch makes all items fill the container equally. Baseline aligns items by their text, so everything lines up nicely. For Justify content, Space between puts equal space between items with no space at the edges. Space around gives equal space around each item, making the gaps between them twice as wide as the edge. Space evenly ensures equal spacing between items and the edges for a balanced look. However, you can still set alignment for each independent element inside the flex section. For buttons, use the Align Cell function in the General tab. This allows you to align this specific button independent of other elements in the section or block. For text elements like headings or paragraphs, you can control their alignment separately. Click on the text element and navigate to the Styling tab, where you'll find the text alignment option. Note, alignment of each element will overrule the alignment of the whole flex section. Let's take a look at this example here. I have set the paragraph element to align to the center. If I try to change the alignment to left from its container flex block here, the alignment won't apply. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team, available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thanks for watching.